In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Woocommerce price display issue, specifically regarding whether prices are shown including or excluding tax. If you're running a Woocommerce store and you need to make sure your prices are being displayed correctly, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to wordpress.com. This is where you'll access the backbone of your site. So go ahead and navigate there in your web browser. Once you're on the WordPress homepage, you're going to want to log into your account. Find the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page if you're not already signed in. After logging in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, where you can manage all the aspects of your WordPress site. From here, look for the Woocommerce settings by navigating the dashboard pane, usually located on the left side of the screen. Hover over or click Woocommerce, and you should see the settings option appear. Go ahead and click on it to be taken to the Woocommerce settings page. Once in the Woocommerce settings, locate the tab labeled General and click on it. This is where most of your store's general settings are housed. Now, we're getting to the good part. Within the general settings, you should see an option that says Enable Taxes. This should be checked if you want to include tax calculations in your pricing. So, go ahead and click on the checkbox to enable taxes if it isn't already. The next step is to ensure that tax rates and calculations are enabled. You'll see another checkbox labeled Enable Tax Rates and Calculations. It's essential to check this box as it will allow Woocommerce to calculate taxes for your sales automatically. This is a critical step in making sure that your prices are displayed either with or without tax, depending on your setup preferences for your store. After you've made your selections, take a moment to review everything to ensure it's set as you want it. Then, the final step is to save these changes. Look for a button that says Save Changes, typically found at the bottom of the page. Click it. This will apply all the adjustments you've just made to your Woocommerce store. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully configured your Woocommerce store to correctly display prices with or without taxes. Remember, keeping your tax settings up to date is crucial for maintaining accuracy in your store's pricing strategy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps run your Woocommerce store a little more smoothly. Be sure to check back for more helpful tips and tricks.